In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Notion workspace for teaching. If you want a simple way to keep your classes, lesson plans, student progress, and teaching materials all in one place, Notion can be a great tool. The goal is to build a workspace that feels clear, practical, and easy to update so you can spend less time searching for information and more time actually teaching. To begin, create a dedicated Notion workspace for your teaching setup. This will act as your main hub where everything related to your classes lives together. Keeping your teaching materials in one workspace helps reduce clutter and makes it much easier to stay focused throughout the week. Once that workspace is ready, add pages for your classes, students, lessons, and resources. Think of these pages as the main sections of your system. Your classes page can hold information about each group you teach. Your students page can be used to organize individual student details. The lessons page will support your planning. And the resources page is where you can collect useful materials in one easy to access place. And next, create a lesson planning database. This is one of the most useful parts of the workspace because it allows you to organize lessons in a structured and flexible way. Instead of keeping lesson plans in separate documents, a database gives you one central location where you can sort, filter, and update everything quickly. After that, add properties like subject, class, date, topic, and status. These properties help turn a basic list into a powerful planning system. For example, you can use subject and class to group lessons, date to schedule them, topic to identify what you're covering, and status to track whether a lesson is planned, in progress, or completed. Keeping these details consistent will make your workspace much easier to manage over time. Then create a student tracker for progress and notes. This gives you a simple way to monitor how each student is doing and to record important observations. It can be especially helpful for spotting patterns, remembering follow-up points, and preparing for future lessons or check-ins. Now add teaching materials, links, and assignments. Keeping these connected to your teaching workspace means you won't have to waste time digging through folders or tabs. Try to store everything in a way that matches how you actually teach, so it stays useful in real situations. Use Calendar View to plan lessons. This helps you see your schedule visually and makes it easier to balance your workload across days or weeks. Finally, review your workspace weekly to stay organized. A short weekly review helps you update lesson statuses, check student notes, and prepare resources in advance so your teaching system continues to support you effectively.